This, my friends, is a penguin in a box. I ordered the 360 Penguin camera, or shits, or something, CIZ. You know, I better put down the camera to do that. And it finally came in. I think it's been out for a couple years, but there's really not that many reviews, and even the company, it seems like a mama papa kind of thing. Their videos aren't even that good. They're very informative, but man, is the guy boring. This is going to be the unboxing video, and if it's over 5-10 minutes, it's most likely the setup and everything with it. App, everything. Ordered it on Amazon for $89. I think I got 10% off. And this is what it's going to be when it comes in the mail. Nice box. Not wrapped too nice. They do put popped bubble wrap in there. They had the machine, or had the bubble wrap, but forgot to inflate it, I guess. I went ahead and bought me a stick. That's not part of this. I bought the cheapest stick Amazon had. But I wanted the top up there to be that and not any other style. And it does the normal clamp, so I can do either or. It was only like $8. I guess I could show that for a second. Cross tour selfie stick. Bam. Showed it to you. Okay, here's me penguin. Brand new, not used, in a box. I think it's super cute. My girlfriend will most likely name it. So on the outside, we got an HD. I think they're saying the new one's like 8K or 4K. I don't really care because they all look pretty good. We will see once it comes about and I get it out. My buddy is bringing over his glider and his drone, and he's supposed to be making an attachment for it. He said he was really iffy on the glider because his glider is so expensive. But a lot of my videos come from people like that, and he's wanting to put this on top of his glider because his glider really doesn't have that good of a camera for looking around, and he wants to see what this does. Obviously a drone you can get wherever you want, normally on one battery. But yeah, most of my videos may change up a little bit. He provides me a lot out of my like 20 people of my drone videos. Most of them are glider videos. Or I have a friend that has a gyro. And he normally has cameras all over it trying to show off. I think it's more in case he dies. He wants to show that he was flying it appropriately, because them things look so scary. Okay, there we go. The wrapping. It's nice the information isn't on that. It's still on the box after you take it off. You do connect it with Wi-Fi. Kind of comes open like a phone. Stop. Oh, that's great to see. Register your product. It's nice to give you a little QR code. Register your product. I would not register your product until after you know it's any good, because as soon as you register, it kind of like links it. Okay, if that's going to be the protective they put on it. I know it is a bubble. Ooh, it's super light. No protective on the back side. It fell off. That was supposed to be on the back side. That's really chintzy. I'm going to put this to the side and go through what's on the box and then come back to it. So it's basically like unboxing a cell phone. Yeah, you even got the little push in here, pull out. Normally instruction manuals there. I seen the lady that, for the company. Ooh, it came off in the box. The material. I really don't see it affecting this any. I can see right where it was at. Most likely it'll get all scrunched up in my pocket and will wear out anyways. They say it's also a microfiber cloth on the inside, so it cleans. I'm going to stick my finger in there. You guys kind of got to trust me on what I'm feeling. Feels exactly like the outside of the bag. To me, that's not really microfiber. Microfiber collects a bunch of crap. And as you can see, this is not microfiber. This is just a bag. And it'd be also nice if it was a waterproof bag. That's alright. At least they give you a bag. Tells you all about it. Go to the website. Everything else that's in here, it should be a USB-C. There we go, USB-C. Which is up to date, which is really nice. That's their cable they want you to use. This mount, which a lot of people don't quite understand it, I'll do it in the setup video, what this is all about. This actually goes underneath. It does raise it up that much further, but you can charge it while using it at the same time. They could have totally bypassed this by making the door remove, because the door flips down. And kind of got rid of, and turned the USB sideways. I don't know. I seen the video and I'm like, well, they could have engineered that a little bit better. This is if you're just, see, that'll hook to the top of the tripod. It'll probably hook right into the, yeah, right there. Look at that. It's almost life size. That will clip right in there if I want, or it's just like a GoPro. But you can't charge it with this. Or I could probably put a little hole in there and charge it. Who knows? We'll see. Most likely I'll be using a magnet cord with it. I use magnet cords on everything. I'm going to put that to the side for a second. Comes with a microfiber cloth. See, there's already crap on it. That's what I mean. Microfiber cloth. You can see through it. They went super cheap, but this also ain't $300. Nice they added one of them in there. I just found out something this week. If you're keeping one of these for a long time, they do go bad. And when they go bad, this white stuff starts deteriorating away and starts getting in like ports. And I found out my computer was totally white one day. I'm like, what is going on? And return address. Should never have to return it. There's a lot of stuff on this, like, hey, if you have bad problems, just return it. Here's the instructions. Kind of confusing because there it is upright. And there it is. Oh, I thought it was upside down. Guess it's not. I'm going to go through the instructions real quick. If you guys want a certain page, you are going to have to pause it, screenshot it, and use your two little fingers and zoom up on it. Here we go. This is for main setup. Nice to give you pictures. My main concern with this is the app for Android has not been updated since 2019, and it's got a lot of negative reviews. So for going that long and having so many negative reviews worries me a little bit. There's the App Store, the Penguin site. That's kind of weird. Oh, to go to the Penguin site, and if you need to download it. Charging with power off. Wireless charging. Hopefully my camera's picking up everything for you. I think all that stuff's on the back of the box. Yep, tells you all about it. It has very good, that fell out, so they added that. Has very good appeal from a shelf at Walmart or something. Which it still concerns me. It's only $89 and the competitors are over $200. And there you go, the cute little penguin on the front. There we go, the instruction manual, super nice, probably the best manual I've ever seen, and it was all in English, which is cool because sometimes it's not fun trying to find the English part of a manual. And then you're so excited the manual's like 50 pages long, and then you find out it's only 3 in English. Chilling all around you. That black really collects a lot. I'm going to pull that off because that's annoying me. It was almost more of like a bumper. Like if something bumped into it. Didn't protect the whole lens, I would say. I really thought the lens would be a more of a bubble like you see in Walmart when they're spying on you or something, but no, it's just one little lens sticking out there. One little sticking out right there. It's very, very light. There is one video I cannot make because she's already made it and it's great. If you look these up, there's a woman that tells you that they love that it's a one-button machine. And she tells you what each button does and what the lights do down the side. And then there's a little light right there. She explains it so well, there's no way I can make a better video than that. So you can look her up. Don't quite know her name. I know they didn't quite advertise their self very well. See, this door flips down. Oh yeah, you could have the mount would have gone there, no problem, and you could still hook it up. They just need to remove this door. They could have made it hinge the other way even, but yeah. So if you put that there, oh, it's so close. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's so close. I'd almost notch that out a little bit, unless you're putting it on my buddy's glider. So you got a micro SD card there. I don't know what the max support is. It doesn't tell you on there either. Trying to get it to focus a little bit. Gosh, wherever I click, it doesn't want to do it. Yeah, micro SD. That is the charge port. Most likely you're going to be running it all the time plugged in, because I heard it's only 30 minutes. The threads are super deep, which is great. They're deeper than what my normal tripod is. This is not waterproof, so watch out putting it around water. That's the power on and off button. Let's see if it came with a charge after I look over it a little bit. There's a button right there, 360Penguin. Guess there's a Wi-Fi button, a microphone, which I was surprised they had a microphone. I didn't know it was coming with that. Wi-Fi and the recording, and then there's a light there. I'm going to press it once. Well, you know what? There wasn't even a quick start guide. Maybe there's quick start in. I'll just show you if it's charged or not. This is just the box opening, and if it's a bit longer than this. Also seen she pressed it twice, but okay, it looks like it's probably dead, which isn't good to do on a battery. So this is the unboxing video. If it continues on a little bit longer, most likely it was set up, but continue on watching. I'll be doing a video on my buddy's glider. I'm going to see how big the battery is on this. I'll put it on a thing that'll tell me how much milliamps went into it. I'm guessing it's probably 1,000 milliamp. Super light, so it can't be too big. Or it's a China-made battery. But yeah, I'm going to do a lot of videos with this and a lot of videos on it. There's this dot on it, and that's not my camera. There's like this purple dot. Kind of weird. It's not on the other side. Well, I'm going to plug it in. Hopefully this helped out, and next part will be setup. Thanks for watching. I totally forgot to go over this. I put it to the side. It's super light. The tripod I'm using is very nice. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. The threads on that are super short, which are fine. For a normal camera, the threads in that thing are like twice as long. I got it on the charge now, so I can't even show you. I came in to clean all this up, and seeing it laying there, I was like, oh crap. They feel very firm, better than a coat hanger. They feel like they go right where you want. They are rubber bottoms, so if you put it down on something and you put a lot of weight on it, it's not going to go whoo, just flex out. Moves everywhere you want it. That tightens down just like a normal one, if anybody's ever used this style. That's a ball clamp. Zoom up really close to it. It's a ball clamp, so don't expect it to last too long. Let's see if it'll wrap around something. I have my tripod. Oh, it's kind of nice. At each link, it can bend. Like a little helicopter. Yeah, I don't know if you guys see the individual links. It bends at each link. It bends wherever you want it, but it bends even at its last link, which is kind of nice. Yeah, I like that. This may take over the tripod I got. Yeah, it's pretty firm there even. Yeah, hopefully that helps. Now I'm done with the unboxing. Okay, let's start by getting the app for this. I am on Android right now. It's called 360 RIZE, I think, is what I type in, and then it comes up 360Penguin. This is only the setup video. It's not the usage video. I've actually already made this video and then found out that this camera right here is actually bad. It's stuck in like 420p and it don't even go that low. You want to install that. So this is getting returned, but the video quality was just so awful and I didn't like the video, so I'm remaking it. Also, the app would not work on my Android Go tablet. It was a Go version, not a standard, like, I think they call all their stuff cute girl names. It wasn't a Powder Puff Jelly Bean 4 or something. Okay, you're going to want to open that when it installs it all the way. See a cute little penguin. It does worry me because this app has not been updated on Android since 2019, May or March of it. Gonna have to allow photos. We got edit 360 content, app settings, 360 connection, turn off help. Get out of there. There's all my videos from earlier. It's weird. I deleted it hoping that none of this would stay on there, so it'd be like a fresh install. It was not. Okay, to connect to this, you're going to want to go to your Wi-Fi. You're going to want to turn this on with one push of the button. A little light will come up here, and it'll also ding. It's green, which means it's fully charged. You're going to want to push the Wi-Fi button for a second and it will come up with a blinking blue light. Now this is time sensitive. It beeped. You couldn't really hear it because I was talking. That comes up. You're going to want to refresh your internet. On the side of the box it says your password. Everybody has the same password. I'm actually going to forget to tell
Computer says no.
I'm going to forget it. And I'm going to reconnect for the purpose of this video. Don't mind my Wi-Fi passwords here. The password is chillin with no G. Oh, 360 chillin. 360 chillin. Click connect. As long as it's still blinking, it should connect. And if it
Computer says no.
Solid. Make sure your phone isn't set up to automatically switch to a better internet, because this has no internet, so you'll want to switch. If you have a dash cam, you'll probably understand how to do all this, because a lot of dash cams run Wi-Fi. This is not internet. You're not connecting to this, and this thing's giving you internet. It's just a different type of Bluetooth. That's kind of a hassle to me. I don't know why we can't just use Bluetooth. Bluetooth can stay on with it. You push a button, shoot the lights again blue. Come on. Okay, so after that, these are all my videos that I've already had. You want to click the top right, then you want to click the refresh, and it should connect right up. 6K, it worked. If it's your first time, it's wanting you to reset the camera, and it opens the menu right up for you. I'll go over the manual and the settings on this device as soon as I get a new one, so I can show you the difference between all the settings, and we can compare the difference in the resolution and all that, because this one doesn't look any different from 6K clear to 960p, which is the lowest it can go. I hope you guys have already read that. I don't want to repeat it all. I'm just going to click out of that, and there we go. I am connected to it. I'm moving around. You can see me tripod right there. Click the different buttons. There's nothing in my house that's embarrassing. There's my iPhone that's looking at you. There's me. There's me moving it. It's a little bit delayed, but that's alright. There's my window. And that's saying that's in 6K. I understand. I understand 6K within a billion pixels. Because it's doing a whole 360, but I've watched other people's videos and they could probably read that the SD card says Samsung on it, and mine you can't. Yeah, that's setting it up on an Android phone. I'm sure iPhone isn't too much different. Thanks for watching.